How to withdraw money from PayPal to Western Union. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to withdraw your money from your PayPal account to your Western Union account. So first of all, just open PayPal in your device, and after that just log into your account. And once you are logged in, just click on the three dot icon from the top right section on your screen, and here you will see all these options. So you just have to tap on pay and get paid action. And here under the payment method section, you will see the option called bank and cards. And now just click on link a card, and here just enter your Western Union prepaid debit card information like your card number, your card type, and select from the drop down menu which kind of a card do you have in your Western Union. Select that, and after that just mention your security code and your address, your billing address, and after that just simply click on link card. And once you are done linking your Western Union card to your PayPal account, just open your Western Union, and after that just log into your account. Just click on the three dot icon from the top, and here you will see the option called send money, so just tap on it. Now you have to select the country where you want to send the money and enter the amount of the money you want to send, and select your PayPal debit card as the payment method since you have attached your debit card to your PayPal account already, and enter the recipient information in this section and select the country and other details. And once you review the details and everything is set, just click on send. And this way you will be able to withdraw your money from your PayPal to your Western Union. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.